Today, I will show you how to model this wave planter ball in Autodesk Fusion from sketch to 3D print step by step. So open the Fusion and let's go. The first step to create this part, we will select the top plane and we will make this sketch. We will create the base, and the base here is a circle with 50 millimeters of diameter. And here is the midpoint. So the center of this circle will be coincident with the midpoint. So let's create this. Go to create a sketch and select the top plane. Select the circle. And let me remove the 3D sketch here. Select the circle and click here in the midpoint. Make a circle here with 50 millimeters and press OK. And here finish the sketch. And now we will create a new plane, and this new plane will be here in the top face. So to create this, we'll make an offset of the top plane with 100 millimeters of distance. So go to construct and select offset plane, select the top plane here, and the offset distance is 100 millimeters, and press OK. And now go to create a sketch and select this new plane. You can hide the sketch one a little bit. And the first thing that we make in this new plane will be this circle of reference. This circle has 150 millimeters of diameter. It is for reference. So select the circle. Active the construction line type, click here in the midpoint. The circle has 150 millimeters of diameter. And now we will create this arc. This arc has 50 millimeters of diameter. And the center of this arc is coincident with this circle. It is 25 millimeters of radius. So let's create this. Go to create, select arc, center point arc, remove the construction geometry here. Click here on this point. The radius here, 25 millimeters. Let's create an arc here. And go to constraint, select horizontal vertical, select this point and the midpoint. We made this one. And here we needed to create 8 arcs of this one, okay? So to create this, we use the circular pattern. So go to create and select the circular pattern. The object, select this arc, the center point, select this circle here. Distribution, full, and the quantity here is 8. And press OK. And now we will create this arc. This arc is tangent in the both sides, and it has 30 millimeters of radius. So let's create this. Go to create, select the arc, select the 3-point arc. Click here in this arc and click in this one, make an arc here. And go to constraint, select the tangent, make this arc tangent in the both sides. And the radius here is 30 millimeters. Let me move this dimension here a little bit. And now go to create, select the circular pattern. The object, select this arc, and the center point, select this circle. And the quantity here, let me see, it is 8. Distribution full, and press OK. We made this profile here. And here, finish the sketch. Show the sketch 1. And now go to create and select Loft. And the profile 1, select the sketch 1. The profile 2, select the sketch 2. And operation new body, press OK. We made this body here. And now we will make this fillet in the bottom. We have a fillet here with 15 millimeters of radius. So go to modify, select fillet, and select this edge here. And the radius here is 15 millimeters. And press OK. We made this one. And now we will shell this body. And the thickness of this body is 3 millimeters. So go to modify, select the shell. And here we will select the face that we want to remove. That is the top face. And the inside thickness here is 3 millimeters. And press OK. We made this one. And now to finish this exercise, we have a full round fillet and the top edge. So to create this, go to fillet, the type here, select full round fillet, and we will select this face and press OK. You can add a color here, press letter A in the keyboard, pinty, glossy. And now we'll go to File and select 3D print. The object, select this body here and press OK. Put a name in this file and save this. And now I will open this file in the Bamboo Studio. So let me open this here. I will update this later. And let me move the file to this. It is too bigger. I will change the dimension here, the scale. And I will print this, okay?